Hi, I'm Tania Casal. I'm a scientist at the European Space Agency, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the major consequences of climate change, which is sea level rising. So, sea level rise, why does it matter to us? It matters to us because 40% of the global population is actually living in coastal areas, and those are the ones more vulnerable to the environmental effects of sea level rise. Sea level rise, most people know, and they are aware that it's due partly to the melting of the polar caps and also the mountain glaciers, but most people are actually not aware that also of the important role that thermal expansion has. And by thermal expansion, I mean as the ocean is also taking up most of the heating from the atmosphere, and this extra heating that is caused by global warming. And the ocean in turn is warming up more than it should be warming up. And as it warms up, it also expands. And this is also one of the major contributors to the sea level rise. Right now, since 30 years, since we've had satellites measuring sea level rise, we have quantified that sea level is rising at a rhythm of 3 centimeters per decade, but it is accelerating. So this number is actually increasing. And this is why it's also so important to have the Sentinel-6 Copernicus mission, which right now is flying and acquiring regularly measurements of sea level rise, because this will also contribute to the long climate record and will also help influence the policies in order to mitigate its effects.